how to set notification panel to separate or together on the new Samsung One UI 7 update. So first, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. In here, tap on the settings icon or the pencil icon, and then tap on the panel settings. Next, in here, you can choose separate and together. So this is what it looks like when you choose together. So we go back and then tap on done to save the changes. Here, if I swipe down, so here we do it again. So if I swipe down, at the top part, it will show your quick settings. At the bottom, it will show your live notifications and other notifications. Now here, if you swipe down again, it will show the full quick settings tile. Okay, so that is together. If you go into settings in here and tap on panel settings and choose separate, now we go back and tap on done to save the changes and then tap on the home button. Here, if you swipe down on this part here on the right hand corner, it will open your quick settings in full screen. And if we swipe down anywhere else, it will open up your notifications. The top part is live notifications and the bottom part are other notifications. And that's it. So that is the new update on One UI 7 on your Samsung phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.